Today we'll start with pandas. So this pandas is what a package in Python, and this PD is what? This PD is the object. With the help of object we will be doing all the functions of basically pandas, all the functions and the properties of pandas. With the help of what? With the help of PD. A package or a module or a library is what? A major class. We call it as a major class. Alright, so this is what it is. Major class, and of course when we basically want to call out the functions of the class, we use only with the it is possible only with the help of objects. So before we delve into pandas, let us do what? Let us go to pypy.org, talk about pandas. All right, let us talk about pandas. So pandas a very powerful Python toolkit, analysis of data toolkit, a reading of data, reading of files toolkit. All right, and it is the most used package in the history of programming. In the history of any programming language, Java, C, C++, Python, etc., it is the most used package ever. Not only Python, no, there is not any other package that has been used so much. If you see at its downloads, it is 104 million, 102 million per month. In September, it was 104 million. Now in October, it is 102 million per month. That is 10 crore 20 lakh people per month. All right. So this is what it is. 10 crore 20 lakh people per month basically do what? Download 10 crore 28 lakh people download this package and use this package. So this is what the usage. This is the usage of pandas around the world, and these are the maintainers of panda. One of the most probable and most famous Python package, capable of delivering many uh, objectives of a client or academic objectives like that, research. So that is what pandas is all about. It can read files in CSV, Excel format, etc., JSON, can do slicing, dicing. It can reshape the data just like we did reshape in NumPy. It can merge and join the data, fill missing values. So this is what it is. Use group by, the one we used in SQL. Lots and lots of functions are there, but the functions mostly used. So these basically the main features. Basically, these are the main features that are used in data analysis involving machine learning or deep learning. These are the most used functions of pandas.